Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we discuss the nested if-else statements. That means that one if-else statement can be nested or can exist inside of another if-else statement. That is to create more complicated conditions or the type of conditions that is suitable for your program. So let's go and maybe see an example related to our examples from the previous episode where we wanted to check the grade of the student, and we said that if the grade of a student is greater than or equal to 60, then we are going to tell this student that the student has passed, right? So maybe if I say printf passed, and this is the block of the if statement. Now let's maybe end this block as well so you can see that. And now maybe inside of this if statement we can create another if statement. That is, we can say that if this grade is greater than or equal to 90, then we can tell the student that excellent, that this student has done an excellent job. So we can say excellent student. So this is how we created the nested if-else statement. You can see that this if statement exists within this other if statements. So when the program comes here and it checks that the grade, let's say maybe the grade is equal to 95. When the program comes to here, it checks that the grade is greater than or equal to 60. That is true, so it will say passed. And once again, it will check if the grade is greater than 90, then it will also say excellent student. Otherwise, if it's not, then the if statement will simply come to an end. So this is how we can create nested if-else statement. So for this if statement, in fact, I can have an else statement in here. So if I want to make it even more complicated, even more conditions for this grade, then I can have an else statement in here as well, and I can put my actions that I want to take for this else statement. So this is how we can create nested if-else statements. Now let's go to my laptop and see this in example. So here we are on my laptop, and now let's go and write the example that we discussed about. First we want to define the grade variable, which is equal to 95 for the time being. Then we are creating our if conditionals. If grade is greater than or equal to 60, then write that this student has passed, and maybe have a new line as well. And then inside of this if statement we can have another if statement, that if the grade of this student is greater than or equal to 90, then say that this student has done a great job. So printf maybe excellent job. Did I spell excellent correct? I'm not sure. So this is how we can write this code, and now let's go and try to execute it. And now we can see that because the grade was 95, it said passed and excellent job. But what if I make it 85? Then if I run this program, then it says only passed. There's no excellent for this student. And that's it for this episode. See you in the coming episodes.